Hey everyone, here's the 3D print of the updated NCHA ring top we make for a client in Texas. Our client works closely with the NCHA, which is the National Cutting Horse Association, and creates these rings for each new president. Even though this ring was awarded this year, the president started in 2021, which is why the date on the top reads as such. For these tops, we update the models, print and cast the pieces. Our client then solders the top onto a shank of the customer's choosing and finishes the ring. Simply by updating the model, this has allowed our client to save money over the years, as a new 3D model does not need to be created each time. This also allows each item to have a quick turnaround time frame. This is just one of the designs we make for an association, organization, business, government, or etc. So if your organization, team, or business is looking to have a piece custom made, feel free to contact us today. We're more than happy to provide a free estimate and a time frame to have the project completed. Send over any images, sketches, or ideas for the design to help get the ball rolling. For anything else, feel free to leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.